Hello and welcome to an MCO market update on Solana. The Solana chart looks like, if I compare this chart to some of the other coins, coin charts, I mean, short term, it still looks like one of the stronger ones, but it's currently struggling to break above those previous swing highs here from, from Monday the 14th, Tuesday the 15th, and sort of from earlier this week. So we still haven't got a break above all these previous swing highs. This is, however, needed to actually form a clear fifth wave to the upside. I mentioned to you in the previous videos that I view the pullback as corrective. The idea was that we're working here on a diagonal pattern, right? Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so far it's done everything we wanted it to do. It formed 3 waves up, the 4th wave pullback as a corrective pullback in 3 waves without breaking $112.84 support, because in the blue scenario, which we're always tracking for 5 waves, because the 5-wave pattern indicates that a bottom is in. It's just not formed yet. It might be forming right now, but we only have a 3-wave move up. We don't have 5 waves up yet. So if we get 5 waves up, then the subsequent pullback could be a wave 2 and should hold a higher low then. And we will define a support area for that and, everything. And then we can track a 3rd wave rally from there after the wave 2 has bottomed. So wave 1 up, then wave 2, you know the routine. You can also, count, obviously, right? So it's clear what's coming. Like a 3rd wave would be coming. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. And that would be the next larger degree, okay? But it's always important to understand that to confirm a low, we need a 5-wave move up on a certain wave degree. That's what we're tracking right now. Then a 3-wave counter trend move that corrects that 5-wave move. It should form a higher low, but only if 5 waves form. So that's why we're tracking for the 5-wave pattern. There are always some parameters that need to be respected and so on. So like this support zone, $120.55 to $112.84. These are kind of standard support levels. Are they targets? No, they are simply support, right? I'm not calling them targets. They are support levels. And the idea is that as long as we're holding above, the parameters of the blue scenario remain valid and the blue count is not broken and everything. So that means the blue count at the moment still has a chance. And I need one more high, however, for a 5-wave pattern. As you can probably see, I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, I've got a wave 3, I've got a wave 4, and this 5th wave might be in the making. I already communicated earlier today to our members that just need one more high. I just need one more high for a 5-wave move. So I need one more high to ideally at least the 200% Fibonacci extension at $141.44 to call that a 5-wave move. So as you can see, it's only 3 waves at the moment. So this 5th wave might be in the making, but it's not formed yet. So if we get this 5th wave, it should get to 141.44 or 147.14. And then from there, I will define support so that we can then track maybe next week, because this is not going to play out in a day. At least I don't think so. So yeah, that's what we're tracking. I mean, what happens if we break below the red trend line and if we break below the $112.84 level before we form 5 waves up? Well, then I can't really call that anymore a 5-wave move up in the making. It would then be a 3-wave A wave in the yellow scenario. Then the B wave pullback could be unfolding, but needs to hold $102.92. I can also add the other levels then that will be relevant. But what really matters is that the price then holds above $102.92. In this, you could say, alternative bullish scenario, but as you can see, it's only a 3-wave move up of a larger degree, so it's a lot of uncertainty what it could be then. It might turn into a larger 5-wave move. It could end after a 3-wave move. It won't be clear. But we can talk about that more once we have support broken. I mean, at the moment, I don't see any reason to favor the yellow scenario. I'm tracking blue. So I think the parameters should all be clear. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.